I'm about to go onto a fuel wharf. This is a big heavy boat with no bow thruster, so it's a bit hard to manoeuvre. And we're going to probably anchor behind Gloucester Island tonight. So it's about midday, so we should be down there by 5 o'clock. Hopefully we'll have a comfortable night. Haven't been this far north for a long time.
And we're leaving Airlie Beach.
Yes, we're leaving Airlie Beach.
Oh, we had fireworks.
We're on the back of Gloucester Island, huge island.
So Steve, where are we?
We're on Gloucester Island, just south of Bowen. Bowen's over there about 2-3 miles, and we're just north of Airlie Beach, the wet Sundays. It wound up being a 25 knot day out there today, and I decided it's all too hard, so we've come here and we're having a relaxing day, not doing too much.
Ahead of us here. A big orange Bowen mango sunset. Oh, so we've woken up today. Amazing what a bit of sunshine will do. Misty mountains. And we've got to head out into that. So Steve, what's happening?
Yeah, we're rolling around in a big fat sloppy sea with no real wind. Well, 10 knots, unfortunately it's dead behind us, so sails don't push the boat over. So it's uncomfortable and we're motoring and we're rolling gunnel to gunnel.
Where are we going?
Well, we've left Gloucester Island. We're hoping to get up to Cape Upstart, which is about 40 miles away.
What are you doing with your sails, Steve?
Well, unfortunately, on a monohull, when you're running virtually dead downwind in a big sloppy sea with hardly any wind, there's not much I can do with my sails. Normally we'd put a main up and spin a pole in the genoa and try and sail it and roll around. But it's fairly squally today. There's a big squall going through behind us, so the wind's changing directions and changing strengths, and which means we need to get sails up and sails down. And long story short, we're motoring and burning fuel.
Not a happy genoa.
Maybe we just need to put the pole in it, huh?
this is Bowen tucked in here, and we're just passing Cape Edgecombe. It's fairly rocky as we head on up to Cape Upstart.
Do you see a bit of blue sky ahead?
We're 15 miles north of Bowen at Abbott Point. This jetty is used as an open roadstead coal loader. We're probably about halfway to Cape Upstart.
Rainy old day coming into Cape Upstart. So here we are at Cape Upstart, not a quirky little place. We're in the middle of nowhere and there's all these houses. Climbed up a bit, we've had a very rainy, cold day. So I want to explore here.
So we've bunged a reef in the main, we've made it a bit smaller. Because yesterday was rocky, wet and horrible. But today we're going to go 65 miles all the way to Magnetic Island. We're going to try anyway. I don't know if we'll make it or not. There's a couple of places to stop on the way. But if we're going to do 65 miles in daylight, we need to be going pretty quick. 6s and 7s, so we've got to run all the sail today. That's why it's a bit smaller than it normally is. Until we get out of the bay, we don't really know which way the wind's blowing. Because we're sailing dead downwind, which is a pain. The wind's right behind the yacht and the swell's on the side. The boat will rock side to side quite violently. It's not very pleasant. It's coming onto the boat from one side or the other. It'll just push us over and we get a nice, calm, easy kind of sail. So everything we've done so far has been dead downwind. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Just going to go check my motor.
Leaving Cape Upstart. And we're heading up to, hopefully, Magnetic Island today. Hopefully the rain stays away a bit. Just up there in the mountain. Get enough of it in. It's gorgeous.
So we've left Cape Upstart. We've got about 30 miles down to Bowling Green. We can stop there for the night if we want to. Otherwise we're going to change course a bit and go this way, and we can go in behind Cape Cleveland if we want to, or we can go all the way to Magnetic Island, which is where we're trying to get to, Bushy Bay, Magnetic Island.
This is all Cape Bowling Green. Long and it's flat.
And this is the lighthouse on Cape Cleveland.
I do believe that's Magnetic Island ahead of us. Steve, have you had a good sail today?
Going 11 hours now, so I'm getting tired. Look forward to dropping the anchor and calling it for about a week. Rolly, hard work sailing. About a mile to go, and around that point we're in Horseshoe Bay.
The sun is setting. We had visions of Magnetic Island. Just got into Horseshoe Bay at sunset. Trying to get the anchor to dig in.